In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up dividend reinvestment on Robinhood. Dividend reinvestment, or DRIP, is a powerful tool that automatically uses your cash dividends to buy more shares. This includes fractional shares of the same stock or ETF instead of receiving them as cash. Robinhood offers this feature for eligible dividend-paying stocks and ETFs, especially those supporting fractional shares. Let's get started by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Make sure you are signed into your account. This is your gateway to managing your investments effectively. If you're on Android, iPhone, or iPad, these steps will work seamlessly. Once you are in the app, go to the investing settings. To do this, tap on the account, which is represented by a person icon. From there, tap on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Then select Investing. This section is where you can make all the necessary adjustments to your investment preferences. Now let's enable dividend reinvestment. In the dividend reinvestment section, tap on Enable Dividend Reinvestment. You'll see a toggle switch. Turn it on to activate DRIP. This step is crucial because it ensures that your dividends will automatically be put to work, buying more shares of the stocks or ETFs you already own. Automating this process can really help grow your portfolio over time without any additional effort. Next up, you will choose your eligible investments. Robinhood will present you with a list of stocks and ETFs in your account that are eligible for DRIP. Carefully select which holdings you want to have dividends automatically reinvested into. This way, you have control over which parts of your portfolio benefit from reinvestment. With that ready, complete the setup process. If you're prompted, follow any additional onboarding steps and confirm your selections. This makes sure your setup is finalized and ready to work for you. Once everything is set, your dividends are aligned to be reinvested. Now let's understand when dividends are actually reinvested. Dividends are generally reinvested during market hours on the trading day following the dividend payment date. It's important to have DRIP enabled before the cutoff time, which is typically midnight Eastern Time on the dividend payment date. This ensures your dividends are reinvested without any delays. To view your dividend reinvestments, tap on the Account button again, then tap on History. Here you can review your dividend activity as well as the reinvestments. This gives you a clear picture of how your investments are growing over time. A few important notes to keep in mind. Only eligible dividend-paying stocks and ETFs that support fractional shares can use DRIP. Additionally, if you have an account deficit or a margin call, dividends may be applied to the amount owed instead of being reinvested. Reinvested dividends are still generally taxable in taxable brokerage accounts. These insights are important because they help you understand the financial implications of using DRIP. It's all about making informed decisions for your investment strategy. Setting up DRIP on Robinhood is a simple yet effective way to enhance your investment strategy. Remember, automating your reinvestments can save you time and help grow your portfolio efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and happy investing.